Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic theory course. In this class, we solve one problem related to calculation of H. In this problem, a point charge Q is equal to 4 pi coulombs is moving with a velocity of 100 AY meters per second at 0, 1, 0. Then the value of H in amps per meter at point 1, 0, 0. Okay. So here this charge, point charge, is moving with a velocity of 100 AY. Movement of charge is nothing but what? Current. Flow of charge is nothing but what? Current. So that's why there exists current. As there exists current, there exists magnetic field. Okay. The relationship between magnetic field in terms of the current is given by, we know that from Biot-Savart's law, we know that from Biot-Savart's law, H is equal to what? DH, basically DH is equal to IDL cross AR by 4 pi R square in vector notation. Okay. So here I is not given, Q is given. We can write I as what? dQ by dt dl cross AR is what? Unit vector along the starting point to the ending point. In this case, we can draw the given situation like this. Q is moving, this 4 pi coulombs is moving with a velocity 100 AY, means that is moving along the y axis, and we need to determine H at point 1, 0, 0. This 1, 0, 0 is x axis, is along x axis, it is x, z, y. So let us take this point as what? Point of interest 1, 0, 0. And source point we can take, as charge is moving along y axis with a velocity 100 AY, we can take this point as what? 0, 1, 0. It is along y axis, and we require the unit vector along. This is source point, this is destination point. Source point is taken as some C and P. So we have distance vector r bar equal to what? Cp bar. Then AR is what? So that is r bar by mod r. What about r bar? R bar is nothing but a distance vector. So this is starting point, this is terminating point. This terminating point minus starting point gives us, that is 0 minus 1. Okay, this one minus this one, that is 1 minus 0 into AX, that is AX. 0 minus 1, that is minus AY, and 0 minus 0, that is AZ. So 0 AZ by, what about the magnitude of this one? That is under root of this 1 square plus 1 square. That is the mod of this AX minus AY is nothing but root 1 square plus, of course, plus root minus 1 whole square. Finally, we got that AR as what? AX minus AY by root 2. This is what AR. dQ by dt, dl, AR is like that. And what about R square? R is like this, and R square means this is R bar. So what about mod R? Mod R is nothing but root 2, that is root 1 square plus minus 1 square. Finally, we got this as what? Root 2, or else simply R square is nothing but what? 2. R square is nothing but what? 2. Now substitute that one in this one, that is AR is what? We can write AR. What is AR? Okay, AX minus AY by root 2, that is AR, by 4 pi R square. What about R square? As R is root 2, R square means that is 2, 4 pi into 2. Now we can write this one like this, that is dQ dl by dt into AX minus AY by root 2, or else let us write like this only, AX minus AY by 4 pi 2 into this root 2. Now let us simplify this one. What we have, that is dh is equal to dq dl by dt, that is displacement per unit time is nothing but the velocity. That velocity is given as what? This q is moving with a velocity of what? 100 ay meters per second. So that's why we can replace this one with velocity, given velocity equal to what? Given velocity equal to what? 100 ay meters per second. Let us substitute this dl by dt as the velocity, that is what? 100 ay into ax minus ay by 4 pi into 2 root 2. We can write like this. Now from this apply integration on both sides. This is what? Differential magnetic field intensity due to the differential charge. Here H is equal to Q into 100 ay cross ax, okay, sorry, I forgot to write here cross, okay, ay cross ax gives what? Ax cross ay gives az, ay cross ax gives minus az minus 0. By, of course, it is 100 ay cross ax minus az minus 0 by 4 pi 2 root 2. Then q value is given as what? Q is 4 pi into 100 minus az divided by 4 pi 2 root 2. Finally this 4 pi cancelled out, and we can write this one here, this minus sign here, that is 100 by 2, that is 50, minus 50 by root 2 into az, it is h value. This is the calculation of the h by using Biot-Savart's law. From Biot-Savart's law we have dh. We have to remember this formula and substitute the given values and simplify. Finally we got the answer as h as what? Minus 50 by root 2 into az. Okay, we will meet in next video.